Hello and welcome to the 2 times table part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go and watch it now.
Okay, so part 2 is dealing with bigger numbers, like 25 times 2. So when we add small numbers, like 3 times 2, we can just think of 3 of one thing and 3 of another thing and add them. 25 times 2, imagine if we had 25 annoying oranges and another 25 annoying oranges. We could count all these and work out how many they are, but we'd make a mistake on the way, so we're not going to do that. We're going to introduce something called the grid method, which shows you something called the distributive law of multiplication, which sounds hard, but it's quite easy really. It involves setting up a grid like this. So this says 25, 20 plus 5, times 2. And then we do 2 times 20, 40, 2 times 5, 10, and then we add our new numbers together. So 25 times 2 is just 20 times 2 plus 5 times 2, 40 plus 10, 50. Another example, and then you're going to be trying to do some yourself. 43 times 2. So that's just 40 times 2 plus 3 times 2, and the grid helps us work this out. 40 times 2 is 80. 3 times 2 is 6. So 40 times 2 plus 3 times 2 is 80 plus 6, and that's 86. Now on for some questions. Alex, are you ready?
Ready.
What is 21 times 2?
$42.
Correct, well done. 20 times 2, add 1 times 2. Next question. 54 times 2. No rush here, Alex. Let's see if you can do it.
$108.
Well done, Alex. Now for a slightly trickier one. 36 times 2. See if you can work this one out.
$72.
Correct. 2 times 30 is 60. 2 times 6 is 12. We add them together and it's 72.
That's for all, folks.